Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my another video. Today I'll show you my some shopping stuff. So I need a lot of pearl and beads. So I'll show you one by one. This is pearl, but this is small size. I buy two size. One is bigger and one is smaller, and another one is mixed size, small, medium, large, everyone. I like this pearl because I use this pearl for decoration. It looks really pretty. This is mixed size, you can see small, medium and large. And this beads is really nice. It's multicolor, it's a rainbow. You can see it's so shiny, and I will make a lot of tutorial with these beads. This beads is not available, that's why I buy a lot of beads. You can see it's really pretty, really nice. I can wait to make a tutorial with these beads. This is another pearl. It's big size and different color also. I open the bag and I'll show you very closely so you can understand how it looks. This is white color, but two size. One is bigger and one is smaller. This is a smaller size, so I'll use both. And this is blue color, you can see it's really nice color, so pretty. And this is purple color. Both are really nice. I like to shopping, and I like to show you guys what I'm buying. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.